Hi there. Let's do unboxing of this electric spin scrubber. Put it together and put it to the test. Electric spin scrubber by YKYI. Let's open it up. I'm going to show you what we got in the box. We got extension handle. This dome brush. It's on the rougher side, but at the same time they're kind of soft. Let's see what else we got so I can compare. This is a flat brush and they're about the same. Maybe this one is a tiny bit softer. We got two. This one is mainly for corners so you can get into narrow areas, and this one has like little dots on the ends of the bristles, and that makes it rougher. It's a smaller version of this brush. We have a clamp. This is for your storage area. There's an adhesive sticker on the back. You put it on the wall and clip the brush in here. We have this brush base, I would call it, for these items. And this is like a Velcro. And you got 4 different options here. This is the softest. This is microfiber. And the sponge. And this is the roughest of them all, out of these 4. We have power cord and the actual head. There is more. So we got the information card, and there's this little bag where you can store all your brushes, and it's breathable, so it's not gonna get all wet and moldy after washing. Look how perfect. This little hanger clip has a hook for this bag. So to put these 2 pieces together, simply first step is to take and screw it in. Next, we're gonna attach our head over here, but here's one thing I wanted to show you. It not only it's already long enough, but it extends even longer. There's a adjustment switch, length adjustment switch. So you just push it up and expand it even longer. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 kind of extension portions. Now let's open this brush head and put it on. So you can use it as is. Just put the brush on, pretty much simple. Just align those little notches, click it in. You can dip it in the water because it's sealed, as long as you have this cap on. In order to charge this, you need to take it off, and we have charging port right here, and charge it, cover it. Or in order to connect, you still need to take this cap off and then connect to this end of it. Let's turn it on. We have a little screen right here, and it talks. I have 2 buttons, on, little power on, and there's a button that says M. Let's turn it on.
Power ready. Please press M to start.
Said power ready. Press M to start. And I like it. This is cheesy, but I love it already because it's so big, so long. I don't have to bend over and do the cleaning in the tub. we're definitely gonna go do it right now. But few things I wanted to mention. So there's this one has fixed angle, and I personally think this angle is perfect for all the cleaning you need. This is a clip for the brush, and you just clip it like so. Hopefully you can see it, and it's just gonna hang. And there's this little hook for your brushes, for this little pouch with brushes. So it's perfect. Everything is in one place. So let me turn it on just to show you how it spins and how it sounds, and then we'll go from there. So this is speed 1, and it shows you what speed it is in, what speed it's on. It has 3 speed modes, so it's pretty cool. I am excited to try it in my tub. All right, we are by my tub, and I'm gonna spray some cleaning solution. So we press M. I don't even have to bend over. Now, if you need to switch the brush, just basically pull it off. And same idea, just align those little notches and clip it on. Perfect. Now I'm gonna do the corners and more narrow areas in my shower.